डे सीन अभी तो खुश हो रहे हैं पहले पहले एक दो दिन
फर्स्ट डे क्या
दिखेगा नहीं तो क्या आएगा
आज हुआ Yeah, hi. I'm Meetu Shen. I'm coming from Delhi. I'm an artist. So this time I was dealing with a project in this shopping mall. And when I was given that venue, I thought of doing something interesting and contrast because like the kind of rich tradition we have in our own and indigenous and super fantastic and fancy, I would say, which I see quite often when I go outside the shopping malls. It's not against the shopping mall, but just to complement it more, like what we have, because like we can see how the national, international brand names are all over the shopping malls, and how the fashion or design and like the fancy, sophisticated things are highlighted and appreciated, and sometimes we forget to look back and see our own. And so here actually I tried to migrate or like temporarily migrate the whole shop from a street. So everything you see here like three shops from Mylapore and Tikanagar. So we have lifted or shifted the whole thing here, and we want it to run for 2 weeks just to see how the responses we get, also to keep the statistics of their earning and the selling, and also their emotional or psychological change, how they respond, and how the shopping mall crowd and other brand people, like the representative of these other shops, also respond to these things. So that was the main thing, and I worked with all local people here. Even the signboard is painted by one local traditional signboard painter, and the flower gardens we are making, I'm trying to kind of give my inputs also. We are changing some colors like what is like traditionally they do. We are changing the flowers colors and schemes, so that is also there. And yeah, four vendors, like in three carts, three like different shops. So every day they are coming for 2 weeks, and from morning to evening they will be here. So it's like they are just running as they do like in their own localities and own areas. And so I don't know if we can say it's like a performance, but it is, the whole thing is kind of migrated because we are living in a migration. Thank you.